You ever wonder how a simple farm truck became one of the most iconic builds in American car culture? I'm talking about the Chevy C10, from back roads to racetracks. It's been through it all. I'm Alberto, and this is the OG C10 Life, where we honor the legacy, wrench the history, and keep these classics alive. Let's talk about the evolution of a legend. When the Chevy C10 rolled out in 1960, it wasn't meant to be iconic. It was a workhorse, a farm truck, a delivery truck, a get-it-done truck. But it changed the game. Unlike older trucks with leaf springs, the C10 came with independent front suspension. It rode more like a car than a truck. It was built tough, but it was the first step toward comfort. By 1967, the second gen C10 was smoother, sleeker, a little more stylish. Chevy knew farmers still needed it, but now city folks wanted it too. Trim options like the CST and Cheyenne gave people leather, trim, air conditioning, even carpet. In the 1970 model, that was a sweet spot. Clean lines. You could still throw hay in the bed or take it to a drive-in. It was no longer just a work truck. It was part of the American lifestyle. Then something happened in the late 70s and 80s. C10 started showing up at car shows, at drag strips, and garages. Gearheads realized these trucks were easy to mod. Drop in a V8, slam the suspension, toss on some chrome. The C10 became a blank canvas for hot rodders and custom builders. From slam short beds to street racers, it was no longer just a hauler. It was a statement. 1987 marked the final year of the C10 badge. It was the end of an era, but Chevy wasn't done with the legacy. The body style evolved. Square body lovers stuck around, but by 1988, the new era had arrived. Chevy launched a GMT 400 platform, what we now call the OBS, old body style. The lines were rounder, the tech was newer, fuel injection, better interiors, extended cabs. It was modern for its time, and just like the C10, it became a modder's dream. OBS trucks picked up where the C10 left off, and now, both are legends in their own lanes. Today, the C10 isn't just a classic truck, it's a culture. Farmers drove it, racers built it, families kept it. People like me and you, we bring it back to life. Whether it's patina or show paint, LS swap or old school carb. It's built, driven, respected. That's the legacy of the Chevy C10. Got a C10 or dream of one? Drop a comment, hit the follow, and share your build. This is the OG C10 Life. Let's keep it rolling.